Hey there drone fans, Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's clip, I want to show you a brand new accessory for your Mavic Air 2 that I think you're going to really like. It's a lanyard and clip assembly that allows you to hang your controller around your neck so you're not laying it down on the ground, because when you're out flying, a lot of times you're changing batteries or you're doing something with your drone, and what do you do with your controller? You put it down on the ground. Don't do that. You got to make sure you keep it nice and dry. So what this lanyard kit allows you to do is to snap the clip in right underneath where your phone or your tablet goes, clip the lanyard to it, and then slip this around your neck like that. And then when you're working out in the field and you're flying and all of a sudden you got to do something with your hands, you can let your controller lay down like this. Your hands are free to do whatever you need to do. And when you're ready to fly, you just pick your controller up and start flying again. Now this will accommodate any kind of lanyard you've got. So if you've got a favorite lanyard you're using today, the clip snaps in right up top here, nice little eyelet that you can clip into. And it's a really nice kit. Now we've tested a couple of these. A few of them actually clipped in so tight that they were really difficult to get out. I didn't like those. Others were so flimsy that after I used them a couple of times, the eyelet broke off. So we finally settled on this one. I like it a lot. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and we have it available on the website like I'd mentioned. So if you're interested in it, there's a link below. If you hit that link, you can buy it from us and support the channel. I'm sure you can find them all over the internet, like I say every time, but if you want to support the channel, hit the link and you can get them from Drone Valley. And that's pretty much all I had for today. It's a really simple product, but I think it's important because, again, if you're out in the field flying all day, I guarantee there's going to come a time where you need to put your controller down, and if you don't put it down in a safe place, you're going to get all kinds of dirt and debris in the back of it. So this lanyard kit's a pretty easy thing to use. So that's it for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, happy flying.